Hello!
Hello, teacher.
Today we have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Lily, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, Lily. Okay, so Lily is your name. So Lily is at the garden. Her name is Lily. What are they? They are?
They are flowers.
They are flowers. All right, now let's proceed for this one. This is a red flower, Lily. Now, where is the orange flower? Orange. Okay, very good. So now, what color is the flower? This is?
This is pink flower.
This is a pink flower. What color is this?
This is my.
This is a?
This is a white flower.
This is a white flower. And what color do you like? What color do you like? I like?
I like pink flower.
Oh, you like pink. All right. So now let's proceed for this one. All right. So now, where is the head? Stand up. Can you? Okay, point. Okay, that is a head. How many heads do you have, Lily? How many heads?
I have one head.
Very good. And what is this? What is this? This is?
This is my mouth.
This is my mouth, or this is a mouth. Very good. Now let's proceed for this one. Now touch your shoulder. Touch your shoulder. Wow, very good. Now how many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
Very good also. And what is this? What is this? This is?
This is my ears.
This is my ear, or this is an ear. Now, at this point, find me one word only that starts with letter E. You say?
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay, very good. Now, what animal is this? What animal is this? This is?
This is fish.
Okay, this is a fish. And which animal can swim? An elephant or a fish?
Fish.
Okay, so do you like eggs?
Yes.
You say yes?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. So the form starts with letter F or letter A?
Letter F.
So that's all for today, Lily. Goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.